teammate niya pa. May fans club.
It's the Lady
Oo,
Chiefs
kasi
against the
isipin
Lady
natin na
Generals.
dapat si
on your
Laika yung
NCAA
pinakamaraming
Season
cheers,
101.
yung pinakamalakas na
Building
sigawan
right
because
there.
she's one of the top scorers in NCAA.
Good
But
luck
no,
to both
a
teams.
rookie, an 18-year-old rookie, got the loudest cheers
Pakiusap
from
din
the
po sa
crowd
ating mga
here.
fans
And of
bago
course,
magsimula
mostly
ang ating
Arellano
laro. Umiwas po tayo
students
ng
Yes.
ang nandito ngayon.
Ito sila dumating
Maraming
kanina
salamat
mga
po.
nakabus pa. Cute.
Yan, and they are hoping that Arellano gets another win today. Pero syempre, gutom sa panalo itong EAC Lady
Yes.
Generals. They're looking to
It's
give
the
Coach
start
Kurt
of
Ong
set
his first
number
win
1.
today. At eto na po tayo, Joy
Serving
Perez
for the Lady Generals.
to start things
Joy
off
Perez.
para sa EAC.
Let's go.
Jack, meron din pala mga taga-EAC dito. Narinig ko yung sigawan dito on the other side.
Meron din pala pero konti lang sila. Wala. Dito yung mga taga-Arellano, kitang-kita mga naka-uniform pa talaga.
Considering yung mga EAC students, pwedeng lakarin itong venue na to.
Oo nga no, medyo malapit nga yung EAC dito.
Oo, pwede nila lakarin to eh. Or
George Luke
sidecar,
serving for the Lady
tricycle.
Generals.
Sidecar na lang, medyo mainit sa labas. Okay, first serve.
Wow, look at the...
Grabe naman ang
Listen
crowd
to that
natin.
crowd. Tudlasan.
Yes. Wow.
Laika Tuglasan.
Wow, wow, wow. Look at this.
First point pa lang yan.
Guys, wala pa tayo sa Final Four.
Oh, yeah.
Wala pa tayo sa
Now
Final
serving for
Four.
the Lady
This is
Chiefs.
just a group stage match.
Tomasi.
Ang saya. Dapat laging ganito ang crowd.
Lut trying to set it one hand.
Illegal attack for the Lady Generals.
Pero si Coach, seryoso.
Score
Sanay
is
na si
serving
Coach
guard.
Obet dyan. Lalo na nung panahon na nag-3-peat sila, laging ganyan yung crowd ng Arellano.
So sanay na pala si Coach.
That's a
Medyo
point for
nahihirapan si
Arellano.
Lut na i-one-hand set.
Mamaya i-check natin kung ganyan pa rin ang energy ng crowd ng Arellano.
Yun din yung challenge sa mga volleyball fans, ano, na masustain yung
Masustain yung
ganong
energy.
energy. Kasi minsan, humahaba yung laro eh. Umabot ng 5 sets.
Nice pick up. Wow.
And the
That's
rookie,
a block
Toriado,
point
showing
for the Lady Generals.
that she has impeccable timing.
Marinig mo yung lutong ng palo. Pero ang
Ash.
ganda ng block.
First
Joy
best middle
Perez,
blocker
now
yan
serving
ng
for
high school.
EAC.
Sa EAC, Ashley Toriado, the rookie, denying
Yes.
the fourth-year spiker.
Ang ganda ng timing doon. Toriado.
Now, good news for Arellano fans. Sam Tira-Tira is back for her second straight match. Nagkaroon siya ng,
Minor injury.
nagka-blisters sa
Blisters.
kanyang paa.
Masakit yun. Overball.
Tira-Tira tipping it over to
Chance
the other
ball.
side. Perez, back row, straight to the net.
Attack error.
Grabe.
Medyo nahihirapan ang EAC mag-execute nung last
Now
ball.
serving for the Lady Chiefs. Laika Tuglasan.
I think masyado siyang early.
Let's see kung i-jump serve ni Laika. Hindi. Sinigurado muna, but it's an ace!
Nice serve. Kitang-kita mo, dumaan lang dun sa may net tape. Ganda.
Score is 5, serving 1.
And straight sa libero ng EAC. Very challenging yun, ha?
Tingnan natin kung same target para kay Laika.
This time, ayaw na.
Wow, Ashley Toriado. A good
Toriado.
start for her in this match.
Nice.
2 points agad.
Nice
Ash
set.
Toriado on deck to serve for the Lady Generals.
So So both EAC points coming from the rookie, Toriado.
Toriado. Good pass.
Domasig, last
Cross
year's
court.
best setter. Perez. Nakuha
Sure.
niya ni Perez yung back row.
Yes. Nakuha niya rin yung timing dun sa pipe attack. Nice cross
Score
court.
is 3-35.
Dinala ni Perez dun sa center.
Mahirap din yun kasi mag-scramble pa sila kung sino ang magsiset ng second ball.
Back set.
Chris
Kaya naman
Servida.
pala.
Kaya naman pala.
Alam,
Good spike.
alam ng mga
Bakon.
classmates niya. Bounce ball para kay Chris Servidan.
Wow! Sobrang nice spike yun ha. And medyo na late yung blockers ng San Beda doon.
And Dayanan is able to score.
Diana.
Cara Dayanan.
Now serving for EAC.
Talagang pinalusot niya dun sa may block.
Dayanan. Domasig.
Back set.
Servidad na naman.
Chris Servida.
This girl, wow!
Now serving for the Lady Chiefs. Chris Servida.
Good pass.
Running attack.
Okay.
Favorite ni Ramos yan.
Nice block. Walang coverage. Walang coverage that time from EAC.
So, Arellano leads EAC 8-4. And when we come back, Bianca Tagarda will deliver her first report. Don't go away.
Mga kapuso, live pa rin po tayo dito sa San Andres Sports Complex for the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Nakausap ko nga si Coach Obet Javier and he shared to me na may kulang pa rin daw talaga sa kanyang koponan at this point. Aniya, naging inconsistent daw sila leading to a 1-2 start. Nandun naman na raw yung skills and also their condition to win. Kaya lang nagkukulang daw pagdating sa mindset at mentality. I also asked Laika Tudlasan at sabi niya nga sa akin, expected naman po namin na papahirapan kami ng Letran in our first game. Kaya naman bumawi kami versus LPU. Pero sa 4 years ko playing in the NCAA, ngayon lang po ako natalo over San Beda 3 sets pa. Which sums up why Laika and the rest of her team are more than determined na makabawi today not only to tighten their standings, but to overcome the complacency that limits them apart. Anton and Jack?
Wow, that's a good perspective. Ikaw ba, Jack, naalala mo na katulad nun, si Laika, alam niya na first time niya matalo sa San Beda.
Alam niya na first time matalo.
Yeah, like ikaw, pag natalo ka ng isang team na madalas mong yung success rate mo laban sa team na yon maganda, tapos bigla ka natalo, naaalala mo ba yun?
Medyo, kasi may mga games na talagang all out ka, di ba? Tapos biglang matatalo. Medyo maaalala mo talaga yun. Yun yung mga, may mga times na yun yung parang medyo masakit na game. Kasi, you know, you give it your all. Tapos matatalo. Pero it's a team sport. So, yun, ganun talaga ang reality ng team sports.
Wala tayong pasa eh. Ayusin natin yung pasa dito. No? One step at a time. Huwag tayo feeling ko nadadala tayo ng meron. Diba? One step at a time. Like, isang pasa para maka-discard yung set.
One step at a time, sabi ni Coach. Pero totoo yan kasi mahalaga na kukunin mo lang isa-isa yung point dahil ang volleyball, 1 point lang yan. Kahit i-drop mo yan, paluin mo yan, 1 point lang yan. So it's important na nakafocus ka kaagad sa next point.
Hindi pa rin nila makuha yung magandang pasa.
Magandang pasa ang kailangan ng EAC this time around.
Domasig. Oh, it's a running attack for Mangubat.
Also blockings. Kudos sa setter kasi nakita niya medyo late ang ating blockers.
Ganda ng pinapakita ng Arellano ngayon.
Medyo confident sila coming into this game.
Lut. Ramos. Cross court.
Court.
Tudlasan.
Good up. Chance ball.
Domasig to Laika.
Off the block. Good save.
Perez.
Nice. Ganda ng swing ni Perez. Yun.
One of the best players in the high school ranks for season 100.
Good pass.
Domasig to Tudlasan. Lut to Perez. Picked up from the back row. Domasig!
Domasig. Nice execution. Want to play.
Twelve to 6.
Good pass.
Toriado picked up by Moming from the back row. Laika.
Zone 1. Medyo buka ang zone 1 ng EAC. Laki ng space.
Substitution for EAC, number 22, Angel Macaulay.
Natuwa talaga ako sa mga players na marunong mag... Yung... Ano ba tawag doon? Flick the wrist ba yun?
Now serving for the Lady Chiefs, Faye Maguba.
Kinokontrol kung saan pupunta yung bola, no?
Nakaharap sa cross court pero
Oo.
pinapalo ng zone 1.
Perez. And Perez gets that one in.
Ating lefty.
George Lee, now serving for the Lady Germans.
Outside.
Serving Simon.
Napatungo na lang si coach.
Kat Domasig, now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
Lut. Oh, actually, Bodonal is the one who picked it up. Ceballos delivers it to Tudlasan.
I think medyo nagkakaroon ng confusion sa defense ng EAC. Pero for me, dapat mas nagli-lead yung libero dito sa defense side. Especially on the 5. Cross court and 5. Dapat talaga yan ang ano ng libero. Pinaka-binabantayan yung cross court.
Now serving for EAC,
5 and 6.
Eight serving 15. Perez.
Jump serve.
Domasig. To Sam Tira-Tira.
Nice.
Toriado puts it away. 4 points para kay Ashley Toriado.
Parang yun yung kailangan ng EAC ngayon, yung confidence na kailangan patayin talaga yung bola with conviction. Kasi parang medyo inaalalayan pa nila yung palaw nila kanina eh.
Oh, over-received. Lut. Back set
Opposite.
for Diana.
Good up. Still alive. Ayan na, nagsisigawan na yung mga... Good up.
Free ball for EAC. Toriado.
Konting-konti lang. Tumama. Nag-check.
Lumalaban,
Check
ha?
ball.
And finally, nakuha na rin ni Lut yung one-handed set.
And mahalaga rin na sumusunod talaga yung middle. Sumusunod dun sa may setter kasi kahit na anong mangyari, tutuloy at tutuloy yan.
Tomasig. Back set for Tudlasan. Oh! Solid
Solid.
facial right there by Laika Tudlasan, apologizing right away
Right away.
to Kesh Garcia.
Pero makikita mo yung reaction nila. They're just laughing it off.
All right, we'll take a break. Arellano leads EAC 16-10. So before we went into a commercial break, this happened. So let's see it from this angle.
Doon talaga pumasok sa seam ng block.
So since libero ka rin, Jack, tatanungin kita, ano yung pinakamalakas na palo na tumama sa'yo? Tumama, ha? Yung hindi mo na-receive.
Tumama. Diyos ko, sa tagal ko pa naman nagba-volleyball, mas magaling ako umilag.
So ganun pala dapat.
Oo, dapat mas magaling ka umilag.
Umilag ka na lang.
Hindi, joke lang. Siguro maaga lang ako natuto. Kasi sa practice, marami talagang times na natatamaan na, sinasadya akong tamaan ng bola ng coach namin. Kaya pagdating sa game, alam ko na yung mga galawan na ganyan. Kaya magaling akong umilag. Yan talagang isa sa mga talent ko. Kaya yung mga libero, dapat marunong din kayo umilag. Hindi, joke lang. Kidding aside, dapat nakaready yung kamay mo talaga sa mga ganong kabilis na spike. And tinitignan mo talaga dapat yung seam ng block. Tama naman yung pwesto niya, di lang siya naka-react ng mabilis.
Wait.
Nasa tamang pwesto naman siya.
Wait, we have a timeout here. Coach Kirk Ong wants to talk things over. His team is down by 8.
Kaya bakit hindi tayo makagawa ng magandang pasa? Bola, may karga, pero hindi naman ganyan kalakas. At tapatan nyo lang eh. Ano ba, saan ba kayo nahihilang? Pasa lang ang kailangan natin. Kaya naman sa Pasa. Tsaka, hindi porket ninyo bola, hindi nyo kukunin. Everybody's ball, kunin nyo.
Nag-iba na rin yung tono sa boses ni Coach Kirk. Frustration.
It seems like hindi sila maka-side out.
Tudlasan.
Good pass.
Toriado. Padillon on the drop. Lut was there. Pasaol. Dayanan. Tudlasan from the back row, picking it up. Servidad.
Inside.
That's a block point for the Lady Generals.
And Ekang
No
Bodonal with a denial.
Single block. What an reaction. Ang sarap siguro sa feeling ng gano'n, no? Yung naka-single block ka. Hindi ko pa na-try. Pero tinatanong ko yung mga teammates ko, ano ba pakiramdam ng nakaka-block? Sabi nila, para ka lang din daw nakakuha ng malakas na palo. Something like that.
Nakaputo.
Nakapoto.
Na solid.
Substitution for Arellano. Number 2, Santi Natira out. Number 8, Nicole Cagicla in.
Cagicla is now in. Team captain.
Team captain Nicole Cagicla,
Cagicla.
now serving.
So, service specialist. Alona Cagicla.
B-pass.
Na marunong rin maglibero. At
Na-try ko yan before sa national team na nag-service specialist ako.
yeah. 5 points.
Good set.
Siyempre, kailangan maganda yung ilalaro nitong si Chris dahil ang dami niyang mga supporters ngayon.
Totoo.
5 points already for Chris.
Papunta pa lang sa kanya yung bola, yung crowd natin.
Ayan na naman.
Di ba?
Lut. To Ramos.
Nice. I think mas kailangan lang ng EAC na magbigay sa middle. Kasi parang mas doon sila nakakakuha ng puntos ngayon.
Substitution for EAC.
Sa mga middles ng EAC.
I agree, eh. Matatangkad yung mga middles nila.
Yes.
Si Ramos tsaka si Toriado.
Yes.
Number 3,
And kudos din sa setter na kahit na hindi ganun kaganda yung pass, itinutuloy niya talaga.
Now we have a substitution here. May Dequilla is in for George Lut.
Dequilla.
And another point for Servidad.
Substitution for Arellano. Number 19,
Good swing.
out. Number 14, Martin
Ano talaga? Power hitter talaga
Power
si
hit.
Servidad.
Yes.
Number 4, Sheena.
Kasama buong Arellano.
On deck to serve for Arellano.
Gilda Flores is now in for AU.
Jump serve.
Oh, good.
Good.
Good up by Cafe.
Good defense.
Wow. Sayago able to get that one in.
Yes. And nice set sa ating libero. Si DeAndres. Nice set.
So Jade Sayago gets on the board para dito sa EAC. Backup setter Cafe is now in.
Substitution for EAC. Number 10, Mariano.
An excellent set by Cafe
Ian Tatum in.
to Hart Villaflores.
Bobby Padillon now serving for the Lady Trades.
Padillon now serving. Good pass.
Tequila. And Perez breaks down the wall.
Yes. Full swing. Anong height nito ni Perez?
Tignan natin. Taas tumalon eh, no?
High leaper.
Leon Tatum.
And the fact na lefty siya, medyo nakaka-confuse din yun sa mga blockers natin. Usually, pag mga lefty, opposite eh, di ba? Pero siya. At napansin ko rin, no, ang dami nang nag-jump serve ngayon.
Villa Flores gets denied.
block.
Number 14, Hunter Flores out. Number 18, Pat Tomasini. Score is 15. Serving
Nakadalawang
22.
solid block na siya.
So Perez is only listed at 5'4".
Oh, hindi kami nagkakalayo. Pero bakit hindi ako ganun tumalo?
That's a point for the
5'4".
ladies and gentlemen.
Highly firm.
Timeout.
Coach Kirk.
University
Coach
Winning.
Obet wants to
Walang
talk things
pasa.
over.
Kung inbound yung bola, ilagay mo lang, kukunin na lang sa block. Oy, importante yung receive, hindi yung palo. Receive muna. Kailangan nga.
Maski lamang ang kanyang koponan,
Yes.
may sense of urgency pa rin talaga si Coach Obet.
Dapat naman talaga kasi marami talaga, sa dami ko rin nalaruan, may mga times na nakakahabol pa talaga yung mga ganyan. Kaya you can never be too complacent.
Still serving for
Lalo
EAC.
nakikita natin na work na at nagkakaroon na ng mga plays itong EAC slowly. Nakukuha na nila yung rhythm.
Dalawang setter ang nasa loob para sa
Yun.
Arellano. Domasig and Cafe. Oh, Cafe able
Scramble.
to deliver it back to the EAC side.
Chance ball.
Setter to running attack.
Overball again.
Domasig.
Counter play.
Tumama pa sa tape ng net.
Tumama
ah.
sa net. Pero wala rin sumabay sa kanya actually.
Number 8, Nicole Campila out.
I think yung sinasabi ni Coach, yung receive, kailangan lang ni siguro nilang medyo bagalan ng onti yung pasa kasi masyadong mabilis. Nahihirapan yung setter. Kasi kapag masyadong mabilis yung receive, bumibilis din yung play, nagkakagulo yung kumbaga yung rhythm ng play. Kaya pag mga ganyan chance ball, dahan-dahan lang.
What a set there by Tequila.
Chase Sayago.
Low fast set.
Generals.
It's what the middle's like.
Yes.
Para makapatay agad.
Yan.
Oh, what a pass. Sayang.
Coaches for Arellano.
Sayang.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Look at the focus on the eyes of the rookie, Sheena Cafe.
plus time.
And din yung sinasabi ko na dapat medyo, sinasabi nga ng coach namin before, lambingan mo ng onte yung pasa mo. Kasi nag-scramble kapag masyadong mabilis ang pasa.
So may challenge dito ang Arellano. Block
Block
touch.
touch. Let's see. Malayo.
After reviewing the play, block touch is a no. Get shot is unsuccessful. Arellano has one chance.
Challenge unsuccessful.
Substitution for EAC. Number 2, May Tequila out. Number 7, Cara Dayanan in. Number 6, Jade Sayago out. Number 3, George Lute in. George Lute now serving for EAC.
Set.
23-18 in favor of Arellano. Lute.
Good serve.
Oh!
Service
Nakita ko yung tuwa ni coach. Dun sa ace na yon.
Kaya ngayon, nag-adjust ng positioning itong
Medyo
Arellano.
bumaba ka agad yung bola eh, no?
There's the
Good
pass.
pass.
Laika flies in.
Good set.
Dayanan,
Cross
cross
court.
court.
Chance ball.
Perez. Oh,
This will be a chance ball.
Lutz to Perez. Tutlasan. Tuloy
Trying
pa
to
rin
go for a
tayo.
drop.
Bombing from the back row.
Nice set.
Oh. Rally continues. Tutlasan
Oh,
finishes it.
good try. Good try, good try.
Substitution for Arellano.
Ang lakas
Number
nila.
4,
Totoo.
7 points already for the
First set
Arellano
lang.
Days.
University Lady Chiefs are now at set
Sigawan
point.
yung crowd kasi binalik si Servidad.
Tomasi now serving for the set.
May nakikita pa ako doon, kinikilig.
Tignan natin kung
Nice pass.
ibibigay ni Kat kay Servidad yung bola
Chance
dito.
ball.
Oh!
Double touchdown violation for
Double
EC.
touch.
Point awarded to Arellano University Lady Chiefs.
They're enjoying.
Yes. First set pa lang.
Arellano
And
takes
that's
it.
Set number 1. Our score-
25-19. Magbabalik po kami para sa set number 2. Twenty-five to 19, yan po ang ating talaan in the first set. Arellano, fueled by the loud cheers of their fellow students
Yes.
dito sa San Andres Sports Complex. I'm sure, Jack, ikaw, alam mo yan, kapag yung mga classmates mo are cheering, mas ginaganahan ka maglaro at mag-perform.
Oo naman. Siyempre, iba kapag merong ganyang support from your school. And iba rin yung tuwa, siyempre, kapag yung mga family mo nanonood din. Kaya, ini-invite namin kayo, manood po kayo dito sa San Andres. Ang saya. And support your favorite teams dito sa NCAA 101.
Tsaka kayo dati, talagang sa Las Piñas pa kayo manggagaling, di ba?
Oo, kami
When you
ata ang
play?
pinakamalayo lagi. Sinasabi nga nila, probinsya daw yung Las Piñas. Sobrang layo namin.
So no excuse
No
na
excuse.
hindi manood. Kasi kung yung mga tiga-perps, di ba, nanggagaling pa ng Las Piñas.
Minsan nga, nagugulat na lang mga classmates ko, player ka pala? Oo, may mga ganun eksena ako dati nung college ako. Nagugulat sila, player ka pala? Nakikita na lang nila ako naglalaro. Kasi dati nire-require sa amin manood talaga to support yung, syempre, di ba, yung mga teams. Set 1 highlights.
Yeah, I mean, he had some good moments.
Yes.
Ito talaga yung nagiging problema nila, Jack, eh. Yung attacks hindi naman nagkakalayo, but they're just
Yes.
giving up too many errors.
Too many errors. Parang may mga bola ng mga nagugulat pa sila. Tapos may mga good pass pero hindi nila na-execute. Pero later on, medyo nagkakaroon ng connection yung middles tsaka yung setters. Sana more pa this set.
Yeah, those are some of the positive things na nakikita natin.
Yes.
The setter to middle
This is the
connection.
start.
Toriado
Yes.
had a good first set. Si Perez
Also
nabibigyan din.
blockings.
Oo.
Yes, also blockings din ng middles.
Alright,
Good
set
pass.
number 2 officially underway and
Running.
it's a running attack para kay Dayanan. Laika.
Grabe. Full swing.
I want to be like
Zone 1.
Laika.
Zone 1 talaga yung tinarget niya that time. Good up.
Laika this time going for a drop. Nahuli ni Perez.
Ooh.
And that hit by Dayanan can't be returned.
Minsan kasi kapag nasusobrahan yung... minsan nasa footing din yan eh. Kapag sobrang magkalayo yung paa mo, hindi ka na nakakagalaw. I think ganun yung nangyari sa kanya. Hindi niya na-control. Nice serve.
What a serve by Perez.
Nice. 5'4". Pero kayang mag-jump serve ng ganun. Wow.
Yeah, and I'll correct myself also. 19 years old na pala itong si Perez. Magte-20 siya.
Still so young.
No, sorry. I was talking about Servidad pala. Si Perez is 18.
18. Sobrang bata pa.
Tira-tira.
Oh,
Domasic back set. This is Servidad. Perez picking
Rinig.
it up. Oh!
Nice.
Okay na.
Yes. Medyo dumidikit na yung laban.
Mahirap din maglaro ng may paltos eh, di ba? Sa paa.
Medyo masakit yun, lalo na ang lahat ng movements mo involved yung paa mo, syempre.
So, kaya hindi po nakalaro si Sam Tira-Tira in the first two matches. She had to have that fixed on her foot.
Medyo nakakailang din kasi yun, maglalaro ka ng may nararamdaman. Pero I know some players na pinapagpag lang talaga. May mga ganong players talaga.
Kahit napunit na yung balat.
Tuloy lang, coach, okay lang ako. Kaya ko to.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Long delivery.
Good up. Toss.
Oh, not over. Servidad.
Medyo pa-out na rin kasi yung set. Kaya nahirapan na rin siyang i-execute.
Ash Toriano on deck to serve for the Lady Generals.
7 points today for Toriado. Tomasic.
Set.
Servidad.
Nice.
Bounce ball.
Finally, nahanap niya rin yung timing.
Taas din ang lipaw.
Yes.
Servidad.
Sam Tira-Tira.
7 points for Servidad.
Parang alam na alam niya saan niya papupuntahin yung bola eh, no? Running.
And I guess that's how it is kapag mataas ka tumalon.
Yes.
Nakikita mo lahat.
Height is might talaga. Ayan yung mga curiosity ng mga libero eh. Yung paano nakikita nyo ba yun? Pag check ball ba, nakikita nyo, nararamdaman. Ay, nakikita nyo sa bilis. Siyempre, di ba minsan sa bilis, parang, paano nyo nalalaman na check ball yun? Nakikita daw nila. May ganun pala.
Oh! Dayanan over the blockers.
I think kanina pa sila tinitira dun sa zone 1 and I think kailangan mag-adjust ng blockers and defenders. Gusto nilang ma-defend yung mga ganung klaseng bola.
Umiwas po tayo gumamit ng flash ng inyong mga camera. Maraming salamat po.
Domasig. The Servidad. Perez.
Nice up.
Bodonal. Dayanan. Servidad. Another point for Chris Servidad.
Nice set.
Galing pa sa libero.
At overhead set, ha? Overhead.
Alec Pablo, the libero, with that delivery.
Running. Ooh, nice.
Ceballos. Domasig to Padillon.
Cross court.
Perfect delivery. By
Malate na rin yung blockers, kaya medyo sumugod din siguro si Andres.
the reigning best setter with a masterful performance.
Crowd favorite.
Mainit si Servidad. Servidad has 9 points in the match. And when we come back, Bianca Tagarda will give us another update from courtside.
Mga kapuso, tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa San Andres Sports Complex for the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Para sa EAC Generals, hindi man pabor sa kanila ngayon ang standings. Pero sabi nga ng center nila na si George Wood, hanggat hindi po kami 0-5, may pag-asa po kami. Ikinumpara pa nga ni George ang kasalukuyang journey nila sa naging takbo ng Lecha Knights in the previous men's basketball season na nagsimula as 0-4 pero nakaabot sa finals. Para kay George, gusto rin nilang mahanap ang spark na kinakailangan nila dahil wala sa standings ang tunay na laban, kundi sa kung ano raw sila sa loob at labas ng court. Nasa baba man daw sila ngayon pero malinaw na hindi pa tapos ang kanilang kwento. Anton and Jack?
Thank you very much, Bianca, for that courtside update. It's very important for a player who has an important role like a setter to really lead and
Yes.
keep those communication lines open with her
Yes.
teammates.
Actually, parang setter talaga yung parang nagpapaikot ng mga tao. Kaya dapat talaga very vocal siya sa mga teammates niya.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a coach's challenge from EAC.
Oh,
Block
a
touch.
challenge here.
Block touch.
So yung sinasabi mo kanina na tinatanong mo sa mga spikers, nakikita nyo ba talaga?
Oo. Nararamdaman daw nila. And I mean, sa mga spikers, syempre yung mga nagbo-block, nararamdaman daw talaga nila yung mga check balls. Pero may mga tinatanong din ako, minsan di daw nila nararamdaman. Siguro dahil sa mga sleeves na mga suot nila minsan. Pero yung mga ganyan, parang ang hirap tignan.
Oh!
After reviewing the play, block touch is a no. That challenge is unsuccessful.
This one is clearly out.
The EAC Lady Generals have one chance remaining in the set. Molly Padillon now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
9-5. In favor of Arellano here in set number 2. Lut. Ceballos. Domasig. Tudlasan. Domasig. Oh, wow. Mangubat.
Oh.
Sinabayan ni Ramos. Laika
Upspin.
on the drop. Perez was there. Overpassed.
Overpass. At nakaabang si Mangubat.
Nakita agad ni Faith.
Yan talaga ang trabaho ng mga middles. You shall not pass.
Classic yun, ah. Ramos.
But that time, nakalusot si Ramos. gitna ng blockers.
Now serving for the NC.
6 serving 10, Ramos.
Nice pass.
Oh!
Wow! What a
Pasok.
play.
Ang daming highlights ng Arellano ngayon ah.
Yes. I think kudos din sa mga pasa talaga. Yun yung sinasabi ko na slow, pero saktong bola lang sa setter. Mas nakaka-discarte kasi yung setter kapag ganun lang yung trajectory ng bola.
Mangubat running attack.
Oh,
Oh,
trying to go for a drop.
Tudlasan, check out.
Kita mo yung pihit ng katawan eh, no?
Nine points in the match for Laika Tudlasan.
Good pass. Inside. Corner pocket. Kita ko dito. Inside na inside.
George Luke now serving for the Lady Generals.
Good serve. Throw ball.
Tudlasan.
Perez. Ooh.
So Perez
Yes.
gets the point. 7
That's
points.
the second time na tina-target niya ang zone 1.
Gandang simula para kay Perez. EAC dumidikit dito. Tudlasan on the drop. Perez. Loot. Back set to Dayanan.
Slowly but surely, umahabol tong EAC.
Kaliwete, down the line, tapos bubuksan mo yung kaliwa. Side niya. Pero doon isarado mo. May libero tayo rito. Ang ganda ng bola, bakit drop ball?
Laika!
I think yung sinasabi ni Coach, I think it's important na pinapanood mo yung kalaban mo talaga. Kung right-handed ba or left-handed, saan siya malakas. Kasi most likely, kung ano yung strongest hands niya, dapat dun talaga yung isasara mo, i-close mo. Yun yung parang tingin kong sinasabi ni Coach.
Malakas.
Attack goes up. Hagdolase now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
Good pass. Chance ball.
Domasig. Tira-tira with a quick attack.
Yes. And coming from a chance ball, dapat talaga ang execution mataas.
Score is 48-79.
Yung coach ko dati kapag galing sa chance ball tapos hindi na ipatay, iiling na yun.
Yeah, the late great, rest in peace, Sammy Akailar used to say, ang drop ball, pagkain lang namin yan.
Rest in peace, Coach Sammy. Perez on the service line.
Domasig. Tudlasan,
Ganda.
wow. Denied entry. Ito yung you shall not pass.
Yes, you shall not pass. Nice. Ganda ng timing.
A Gandalf the Great
Yes.
wall put up by Toriado. Yun yung mga dapat talagang subukang i-deny, yung mga strong spikers like
Yes.
Tudlasan.
I think mas kailangan yun ngayon ng EAC knowing na umaatake ang Arellano this time around. And first line of defense ang blocking. So yan talaga ang pinaka unang mahalaga. Good pass.
Toriado on the drop.
Medyo nagkaroon lang ng confusion pero still a point.
9 points in the match for Toriado. This might be her best match ever as a
Yes.
rookie so far in the NCAA.
Cross
Servidad.
court. Chance ball. Let's see kung anong gagawing play.
Binalik dito
Binalik
kay
pa din.
Servidad.
Sumobra lang ng onte.
Score 13, serving 13.
Good serve. Nice pass.
Padilyon. Sinabayan. Chance ball to EAC.
Yes.
Oh.
Tontuwa sila sa punto. Yun yung sinasabi ko na malambing lang na pasa. Kasi tignan mo, yung setter halos hindi na gumalaw. And mas madali sa kanya maka-execute ng plays kapag mga ganun lang yung mga pasa.
Isa na lang ang lamang ng Arellano dito.
Slowly but surely, itong
Yeah.
EAC.
Slowly but surely.
Good pass. Balik.
Servidad. Toriado keeps it alive. Perez. Pablo
Good
was
up.
there. Servidad na naman. And Servidad breaks down the wall.
Ganado si Servidad today. And why not?
16-14, Arellano lead.
University Liberty.
You're watching our live coverage of NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball. Don Rojas together with Jack Dionela, and we also have Bianca Tagarda with us at courtside
Number 8, Nicole
for
Tequila.
what has become a very interesting second set.
Now serving for Arellano.
Tumikit
Tikit
itong
na ang
EAC.
ating laban. And nagsishuffle na yung mga coaches, no? B-pass from Perez.
Dumasig. Padilyon.
Good
Servidad
up.
pops it up. Servidad gets it back.
Yes.
Bodonal. Oh!
And new rule na nga pala ngayon, no? Wala nang double. As long as hindi nagko-cross sa net yung bola, walang double.
Dr. Lorenzo Lorenzo, Management Committee Representative of Emilio Aguinaldo College,
Cara Dayanan
is on the floor.
serving for EAC. Substitution for EAC. Number 7, Cara Dayanan out. Number 2, May Tequila in. Number 3, George Lee out. Number 6, Jake Sayago in. Now serving for the Lady Generals, May Tequila.
Tequila.
Nagpapahinga muna ni coach yung iba niyang mga players.
And an ace for the Quilla.
Nice serve.
Set is tied at 16 points.
Another nice serve.
Servidad. Blockers were there.
Again, Servidad.
Oh! Chris Servidad breaks down the wall. 11 points for Servidad as we see
Taas na efficiency.
Francisco Paulino Caico of the NCAA Policy Board, representative for Arellano University.
Servidad, no serving.
I'm sure Mr. Caico is pleased with the presence of the Arellanites.
Oh. Back setter. Nililinaw lang ni ref kung ano yung binigay niyang tawag.
Chance of let's go AU, let's go. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Lady
Reaching
Chiefs.
beyond. I think there's gonna be a challenge.
Ooh.
Reaching beyond.
Bihira ako makita yung reaching beyond na challenge.
Reaching beyond. Pero parang hindi na ata nag-push through. Kasi,
Oh!
out. Ginanahan ulit yung mga crowd ng Arellano. Yung mga sumasayaw na dun
This is one of the most active days that I've seen this season so far.
Good up.
Servidad.
Servidad again from the back.
Domasig to Padillon.
Nakakita ko na eh. Sa approach pa lang. Good job.
A 4-0 run by the Arellano Lady Chiefs. Timeout, Coach Kirkong.
Kunin mo yung blocking, ha? Kaya ka lahat yan, kasi hindi makaabot siya, no? Bayaan nyo na yun. Tapos na yan. Okay? Bawiin natin isang pasa. Pero, nakapit sa lakad. Tignan mo yung blocker.
Chris Servidad. No
4-0 run. Tingnan natin kung mabibreak ng EAC.
Oh!
Ang 4-0
Arellano
run.
keeps it alive. Chance ball para sa EAC. De Quilla.
Oh. Good timeout. Minsan talaga feeling ko strategy talaga ang timeout.
Now serving for EAC. Erika Putola.
Oh, regalo. Perez.
Nakaabang si Perez doon. Nice serve. Cross court. Padillon. Going for that cross court again.
Boom. Mainit ngayon si Mogi. 21-18.
Good pass.
Domasig to Laika. Oh,
Attack goes out.
Konti lang.
Now serving for EAC, Leon Batu.
Datu to serve for the Lady Generals. Another rookie. Tall rookie.
Good pass. Slide.
Mangubat.
Chance ball. Oh, net violation, I think. Net.
Score is 27-21.
Net.
Isa na lang ang
Isa
lamang
na
ng
lang.
Arellano dito. Servidad. A chance for EAC to tie. Oh,
Chance ball.
the chance was turned into a chance ball.
Yun. Ganun talaga dapat. Kapag nagbigay ng chance ball.
Substitution for Arellano. Number 30, Faye Manguban out. Number 4, Sheena Cafe in. Number 8, Nicole Medina out. Number 2, Sam
Ganda rin ang
Tirasira in.
pagkaka-backset dun ni
Now serving for the
Massive.
Lady Chiefs, Sheena Cafe.
Sheena Cafe back on the floor para
Good
sa
pass from
Arellano.
Perez. Hinihingi talaga ni Perez ulit eh. But that time,
Block point for the Lady.
no entry.
It looks like si Domasig ang naka-block.
Si Domasig.
Yeah, kasi tumuro si Sam sa kanya after.
Yes.
Kang, di ka sumasalo. Ang usapan natin, sino sasalo ng gap? Si Kang, di ba? Dito ka. Bakit nagbo-box na naman kayong dalawa?
So just reminding his players of what they talked about.
Yung mga gap daw, dapat merong mga nakaabang.
Grabe yung sigawan ng mga AU fans dito. Perez,
Good up.
Tudlasan. Domasig gives it
Again.
back to Tudlasan.
Outside. Outside.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are reporting champion Arellano.
They're challenging this one. Block touch. Parang hindi ko nakita din masyado. Hindi clear dito sa may ano natin.
Oo nga. Medyo malayo tayo dun sa area.
Parang what? Meron.
Oh.
Review the play. Block touch is a yes.
So that will put Arellano at set point.
Challenge
Awarded to
successful.
Arellano University Lady Chiefs. Now at set point. Sheena Cafe now serving for the
Walang
set.
aamin. Perez.
Oh, one-on-one there. Tira-tira
Good
and
coverage.
Toriado.
Oh. Nice up.
Tudlasan.
Ah.
Not over.
Not over. Good defense though.
Substitution for EAC.
Perez doing everything she can
Number 3, George Luis
para
in.
makascore ang EAC.
Number 2, Katie Villa out. Number 7, Cara Dayanan in. Now serving for EAC, George Luis.
Dumasig.
Oh. Chance ball. Could this be it?
Tira-tira.
Ah,
Yes.
nice. Good play.
And the Arellano fans are going crazy. Sam Tira-tira puts it away to put Arellano up 2 sets to none. We'll be back for set number 3.
At nagbabalik tayo dito sa